guys, today we're gonna make cheesecake, and today is a special day. It's Independence Day. That's why we're wearing red and white clothes, and my brother's gonna try a cheesecake today by himself because he likes cheesecakes. He loves it, right? Right? Here's the list of ingredients: biscuit crumbs, butter, egg, cheese cream, powdered sugar, baking chocolate, and also milk. It's time for the base. I'm gonna mix cookie crumbs and melted butter together, and I'll put it here and I'll smush it with a spoon. Now it's time to pour it in here and smush it. Goo goo gaga, goo goo gaga, goo goo gaga, goo goo gaga, goo goo gaga. Put it around. Have more. For the cheesecake part. So I'm gonna mix the cheese cream with the combining with the powdered sugar, and when it's already combined, put the eggs. And now we're gonna put a half of teaspoon of vanilla in it. The cream cheese is ready. Now we're gonna put it in here with the bottom. Now my mom's gonna bake it in the preheated oven for 45 minutes. My cousin came over to my house and she's gonna help me too. Hi. The cake's ready. Now we're gonna decorate it and make it more delicious with frosting. Oh, I be careful. Spread it. Let's taste test. Now my cousin's gonna cut it. Be careful. 2 pieces of cake or 3 pieces for your brother too. Here's the moment of truth. fruit, but I'm not gonna eat it because my cousin's gonna eat it with my brother. Is it good or not?
It's amazing.
Okay. It's good. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit the bell button for more videos. Bye!